Earth Day is an annual event on the 22nd of April wherein we support the environmental protection. The first time Earth Day was celebrated on the 22nd of April 1970, and since then there are immense number of events that gets coordinated globally by the Earth Day organization, which includes about 1 billion people today across 193 countries. This year 2024, the official theme of Earth Day is Planet versus Plastic. And today, in my podcast, I introduce you to my dear friend Ela Duvedi, whose love for greens and whose love for plants has given her birth to her little greens. She is also the co-founder of Motherhood Club and is also their Chief Happiness Officer. So many hats a woman wearing. So let's hear from Ela what gives her going and what keeps her attached to the Mother Earth. Hi Ela, thank you so much for joining us today in my show, and it is always a pleasure to meet you. Okay, this is the Earth Day which is coming up, and seeing your house and seeing you, I think this is the best thing that could happen to me, and it's my personal honor to meet you. Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself, Ela, and what do you do, and how so much of love for plants comes to you.
Thank you, Uma, for having me over, and I'm so privileged to be able to do something for Mother Earth.
That's nice.
So,
Yeah.
my name is Ela.
Yeah.
Ela in Sanskrit means Mother Earth.
Oh my
Bhumi.
God. Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
So it must have been somewhere in the back of my mind, Papa's mind, while he was like giving me this name Ela, that I will play with mud, I will play with greens, and then when I started recognizing colors as an infant,
Mm-hmm.
the first color that I recognized was green, and
Oh,
I
really?
used to call it green.
Oh my God. That's so nice. Excellent.
So my dad says that yes, you were destined to be with greens and with nature, and then I did masters in botany
Oh, no wonder.
and
Okay.
environmental science, ecology as my specialization.
Wow. That's wonderful. And your house is a complete representation of your name and what you do, and I have to show it to the people, so I'll do a special recording for your
You're most
of your
welcome.
house. And this is little nice green all over the place. It's a fabulous place to be in for my friends who are watching this, and I'm sure if you get a chance to come to her place, you will love being here.
So there are a few friends who, when they are stressed out,
Mm-hmm.
and yesterday only I got a call from a friend that I am very stressed out, my BP is quite high, what should I do? I told her, do you want me to come over? Like, should I come over to you? No, allow me to come to your place
Sure.
because I want to be amongst your greens and your calming presence,
Uh-huh.
and I would like to sleep and meditate in your room.
Wow.
So
Lovely.
anybody who wants to come, this is my little oasis. that
I know.
did for myself.
I will shoot this, but
Yeah.
this is a lovely place to be in, and
Yeah.
I will come again for sure. That's my guarantee.
Anytime.
But this is really a nice place to be in. Great. So, what made you create this My Little Greens?
So whenever I used to ask people that why don't you grow plants in your house, most of my friends, most of the people whom I met always used to say plants are a nuisance. Like people used to keep artificial flowers and artificial
Yeah,
plants.
I don't get that concept
Okay.
so much. Yeah.
Because then they don't have to water the plants,
Yeah.
they don't have to tend to
Right.
them, and then those plants don't die.
Mhm.
And then they also had this headache of shifting plants.
Correct.
Because गमले हैं मैं कैसे हटाऊंगी या कैसे हटाऊंगा, the servants don't listen to us and like they cannot move plants from place to place. So I thought that let me give them this concept of little greens.
Acha, okay.
Okay, so here you see,
Yeah.
you can pick this up,
Yep. Right.
you can keep it anywhere.
And I
in the
see all
sun.
around your house, which you
Yes.
can pick it and place it
Yes,
anywhere,
yeah.
and
So-
it's nicely done. So depending upon how you want to decorate the house
Yes.
today, you can lift, shift, and make things happen, which is
Absolutely.
really a nice.
So instead
concept.
of getting those bulky
Yeah.
plants, bulky planters, big size plants,
Right.
and those ugly cement pots,
yeah, ugly cement pot.
and even though I love terracotta,
Yeah.
but then they also eventually they get stained.
Correct.
And there's lots of breakage.
And then there is a maintenance of
Yes,
those. So you have to
yes.
either
हाँ.
keep painting,
Painting or
overhauling,
repotting. Then repotting again is a very big
Yeah,
headache.
correct,
Okay?
exactly.
So I started this concept of my little greens,
Yeah.
so that everybody who buys from me, they get three things: a beautiful ceramic pot,
Okay,
a beautiful plant handpicked by me,
nice.
and the soil that the plant is potted into
Oh.
is mixed by me, Juma.
You do the soil as well. Oh my God! So it's
So-
not only plants but the soil
So-
as well, and you do it at home all
I
by
do
yourself.
it at home all by myself.
Interesting. Oh,
So
wow.
if I have a palm or if I have a araucaria, the
Mhm.
Christmas plant,
Yeah.
now these are two different plants.
Correct.
Okay, so both have got different requirement of soil.
Okay.
So I mix my soil at home.
Oh my God.
Okay, so there's this guarantee that at least for next 6 to 8 months or maybe more than a year, you won't have to add any fertilizers to your plant.
Very nice.
So now you are totally hassle free, and you can.
You just have to water it sometimes and
Yes.
take care of
Yeah.
it, which is easy.
And most of my plants go with a set of instructions on WhatsApp.
Oh
that
my
you
God.
have bought this
Okay.
plant and this plant needs this do's and don'ts.
That's nice. So great.
So people should become friends with their plants.
Yeah.
They are our babies, and believe me, I think you will find most of my plants smiling back
Yeah.
because I talk to my plants.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Even I have that habit. So I
Yeah.
talk to my plants.
Uh.
I will get up in the morning. I'll have a cup of tea in my hand. Then I will go and peek
Yeah.
around. And most important secretive thing about me, I have plants in my bathroom as well.
Same here.
And then I will talk to these plants while I am there. So I take very good care of my plants because I love plants.
Yeah.
My love for plants and flower is something which I got from my mom, and it's inherent. And I can do anything to get flowers.
Yeah.
I can go to any distance to get flowers for my house. And my love has always been for fresh plant and fresh flowers. Artificial
Absolutely.
doesn't attract me much. I know I keep hearing from my husband, oh, what is it? It's so much of a work for you. So I said, it's my work, it's my time. I love doing it. So yeah, for everybody who is hearing me, it's your work. If you love them, you will nurture them. And if you nurture them, you will be happy at the end.
You know, you get so much in
Yes.
return.
Returns.
Okay.
You get peace. I think
Yes,
the
and
calmness.
it is therapy for me. You know,
Therapy.
playing with mitti.
Mitti. Yeah.
मिट्टी के साथ खेलना,
I know.
plants की pruning
Yeah.
करना, plant like when I return from any other like outdoor trip or anything, then the first thing, तू इतना उदास क्यों हो गया? मुझे मिस कर रहा था. Why are you so quiet today? Why are you not smiling? What happened? Let's take you out.
Good.
You haven't been out. That's why you are so sad. So I keep them shifting. Like all my plants, they are shifted from here to there.
Very nice.
And
concept.
since I don't have my own studio or store,
Uh-huh.
so this is my studio,
No,
this is my store.
This is excellent. Well, everybody should have it, I would say. Great. So you obviously I can see that you are in love with nature, and you are also a co-founder of Motherhood Club,
Yes.
and you're a chief happiness officer. So many hats. First of all, talk to me. How do you balance between so many hats?
There's more to it.
Oh, you are a baker as well, right?
I'm a baker, I'm a home chef, and so I.
It's only 24 hours in a day. How do you manage between these
So-
hours?
So my
Doing
sleep
everything?
hours are limited.
Yeah. Okay.
I make up most of the day by waking up early.
Okay.
So first things first. So you asked me about Motherhood Club.
Motherhood Club,
because that is my go-to place, my Mecca, my Medina.
I know we are missing our friend today.
Yes, I'm missing
Sure,
Ekta so
Ekta,
much.
Yeah, very.
So,
Yeah, that's something that we will bring her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my soul sister Ekta, she came out with this beautiful concept of paying gratification to mothers.
Yeah.
Okay. So mothers, we all say माँ देवी है, माँ को हम एक पेडिस्टल पे रखते
Right.
हैं, but what do we do in return? And mother's job, अगर देखो, essentially बहुत glorified है, but thankless. भी है.
Thankless. बिल्कुल है.
Okay, kids fly out of the nest,
Yeah.
and we don't blame them.
Yeah. And
But
the mothers
still-
always sacrifice for
And
their
then-
kids and the family.
In later years, the mother will always crib. मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई, I used to do this, मेरा ये छूट गया, मेरा वो छूट गया. तो हमने एक बहुत सेफ हेवन बनाया. वहाँ पर मदर्स की जर्नी हम सामने लाते हैं. साथ में we give them a platform to share their creative skills, to hone their passion.
Nice.
So we have a platform for our writers, poets,
Yeah, I see that
storytellers,
every day. Yeah.
and if somebody paints or sketches, they are free to. So everybody is very very happy there,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a very safe place. There is no criticism, there is no leg pulling.
Yeah.
It's only respect and love for all good things in life.
I also think this is your motherhood club also holds hand for every woman and men, and it is not only for women, right?
Also
It is
for
all
men.
also
Yes.
for men.
Yes.
So men and women who are in their age, who wants to do something,
Yes.
and I think it's a beautiful platform where we hold each other's hands to grow,
Yes.
not only financially but creatively, where you can still follow your passion and keep yourself active, which is my motto word to in today's
It's
world.
very very important to keep busy.
And I think this is a platform which helps them to keep busy, which they love.
Yes.
It's not forcefully, but you are coming, you are enjoying, and also you are creating friendships with the other people, so which is definitely another way to look at
Yes.
it.
And at Motherhood Club, we've got quite a number of active classic citizens. I don't call them senior citizens for a reason. They are all classic citizens
Classic, yeah.
because they have got a rich experience
Sure.
of what age is given them.
Right.
Okay, life
Exactly.
has offered to
Very
them.
true. Yeah.
So वो बहुत खुश रहते हैं, and you know what, we have given them that freedom. If at all they are feeling a little low,
Mhm.
they can come back to us. They can always call up or send a message. I'm feeling a little low. Can you talk to me?
Wow.
So we are always available.
I think that's very important. When you are depressed and you don't know what to do or whom
Yes.
to talk, usually that's where things start getting wrong.
Yes.
And you know, if there is a person whom you can talk to who is not judging you or who is not testing your knowledge,
Yeah.
but there is someone whom you can talk and you can share your thoughts, what's going on in your mind. I think that also helps in actively helping people not to go towards the mental health situations that we are all facing in the world today. So I think the creative source for all the Alzheimer's, schizophrenias, and these neuro, diseases that we
Yes.
see in the old age, I personally feel one of the reason is loneliness and not know what to do in the rest part of the life, and I start getting bored, which brings in isolation, and with isolation then I start giving up myself. So
Absolutely.
getting into your soul place, not talking to anyone, and then we start seeing the neuro diseases that is coming in
Yes.
place. And I think what you are doing and trying to spread happiness around these people or this part of the community is incredible, Ila, and absolutely Ekta is also to be given a lot of
Total
kudos,
credit
total
goes to
credit
her.
to
I joined her
of
in the
what she
second
does,
year.
yeah. What she does,
Yeah.
making women financially independent. We've been hearing and we listen, but what she's doing, the contribution that she's making to the society is incredible. So of course we will talk to her and we will get
Yes.
her name. But it is wonderful to have.
That's where my role as Chief Happiness Officer
Yeah.
comes in.
Comes in.
So I have my genetics to, like, I'm blessed with good genetics,
Yeah.
with parents who have a very happy disposition. So my smile
Your smile tells
is
it all.
the biggest.
And the calmness that you have on your face
so
is
people
something.
are very comfortable coming to me.
Yeah.
And like at Motherhood Club, we keep on designing and devising new activities to get in maximum participation and make them happy.
Great.
So
Excellent. So thank you for talking to me, and now is the time for a rapid fire questions. Okay, quick, not
Yes,
very
yes,
too
yes.
many, but quick things. Who is credited with founding Earth Day? I have solutions for you.
yeah,
Gaylord Lenson, Mike Tyson, or James Bond?
Gaylord Nelson.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Thank you. When is the Earth Day? That should have been the
April
correct
22nd.
That's why we are here. Okay, great. When was the first Earth Day celebrated?
In 1970.
Yes, exactly. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Okay.
I'm happy.
The first Earth Day led to the creation of which government policy? So I'll give you the name,
Yeah.
and it's easy for you actually. EPA, which is Environmental Protection Agency, GPA, or a PPA.
EPA.
That was
It's
the
a very
one.
simple one.
a very
It's
simple
no
one.
brainer.
No brainer. Yeah, I knew. When did Earth Day go global? Now the options are 1991, 1970 and 1990.
I think it should be 1990. if I'm
Great.
not wrong.
Yes, absolutely. 1990. Well done.
Thank you.
Equinox Earth Day takes place which day of the year? April 20th, May 20th, March 20th. Which one is?
It's March 20.
Great, absolutely, bang on. Okay, now this is a tricky one. Love for plantation or baking?
Plantation any
Okay.
day.
Happiness coach or a mother plantation?
Happiness coach.
Happiness coach.
Yes.
Great, you did all the questions right. So thank you very much for joining in. And
I
I don't.
have a message, but
Yeah,
you know,
sure,
which
absolutely.
I
That was
missed,
my-
which
No,
I
that was
missed
my
it.
last
Ah,
ending question.
ah.
What is the message from you to the
So-
world or the society today on this Earth Day?
So I have Christian myself as a self nomenclature that I am a green crusader. So I have been trying to educate people about managing their waste, green waste.
Oh, nice.
Waste that comes out of
Yep.
your homes and kitchen.
Correct.
Please try to manage it at home. If anybody wants to learn about it, they can come to me. So each kachra, piece of chilkas,
Huh?
fruit or
Yeah,
vegetable के pieces हो
vegetables,
गए,
yeah.
a piece of paper,
Yeah.
any cardboard,
Yeah.
wood shavings, whatever that comes out of our home, my home at least, is going for composting at home. I do my own composting. Okay. So our environment, we cannot blame the government and the international environmental policy makers
Correct.
to help us make our environment clean.
It's
It's
we,
our
we
individual responsibility
responsibility to
and a collective
Correct.
responsibility.
Correct.
So for the past 7-8 years, I have been trying to making people aware about what they can do with the waste that comes from their home and
Great.
how they can use the water that comes out of the RO. पहली चीज तो RO को avoid कर लो, but since you know we are conditioned that way, even my household has got
Yeah.
a RO system to purify water.
Correct.
And you will not believe it, but each household wastes 40 liters of water
Sure.
every
I
day.
do believe, yeah. We waste a lot
Every
of water
day,
in
no,
India.
just by purifying your drinking water through the RO system, we
Incredible.
are wasting 40 liters of water from one household. Imagine.
Okay.
So how
That's-
to use that RO water?
Mhm.
So we have to save water. We have to protect our Mother Earth. And if anybody who's watching this video
Mhm.
wants to host me for an online workshop or an offline workshop, I'll be happy to do it.
Thank you so much, Ila. That's a
Thank
great
you.
thing. Thank you very much. We hope to meet again. Happy Mother's Day and the Earth Day and the Environment Day. So take care of yourself, take care of your plants, and take care of the Mother Earth. Thank you. See you again.
Thank you so much, Tuma. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.